How you doing? This is the Real Californian coming to you from Salinas, California. Right now I'm on the corner of Market and West, and I happen to pass by this awesome food truck here. It's called La Cabana. La Cabana, that means the cabin. And just go ahead and take a look at it here. There's also the information that you needed right here, just in case if you wanted to give us a call, give them a call. Here's the front of the truck as well. From nacho asada fries, from nuggets, from tacos, the burritos. They have a California burrito, which is originated from San Diego, I believe, and the gordita and sopas, enchiladas. They have looks like a French fried and hot dog dish. Also, the types of meat that they serve is asada, pastor, lengua, cabeza, sesos, chorizo, pollo, and carnitas. Also, they do have hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff for the kids if they would prefer that, or for the adults as well. For me, this place is a fantastic place. Also, what I do see here is they have agua frescas, which is, you'll see that they have horchata, jamaica, pepino y limon, that's cucumber and lime. They also have ceviche de camarón and ceviche de pescado. They have jaiba, they have crab, they have aguachile. They also have tortas, milanese, and they have chili rellenos as well. It's a wide variety of different types of foods. Let's go inside and speak with the owners and see what they have to say. Okay, so we're about to go outside, and this young lady here, what's your name?
Michelle.
Michelle, nice to meet you. I've never been on a food truck before. That was my very first time. Oh, this is really big. Hola, señora, ¿cómo está?
Hola.
So this food truck, whose idea was this?
My mom's.
It's your mom's idea?
Yeah.
And how long have you guys been here for?
A little bit less than a year, actually.
Less than a year. Oh, so you guys are fairly new.
Yes, very new.
Okay, is there anything that's popular? Is there anything that's recommended to order here at the Cabana?
Actually, quesadillas.
Quesadillas.
And consomé, top notch.
Top notch.
Yeah.
Okay, well, can we see one made?
Of course.
Okay, great. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go in the kitchen over here. And señora, ¿sí puede hacer una quesadilla?
Sí, claro.
Excuse me. Yes. Right. ¿Y ya tiene muchos años cocinando?
Sí, algunos.
Okay. ¿Y la quesadilla de qué estado viene?
Originalmente, la birria es de Jalisco.
Es de Jalisco.
Sí.
Pues somos paisanos, yo soy de Jalisco también. So, nada está preparado.
No.
So, hace todo se hace al momento.
Sí.
Ok. ¿Y quién le enseñó a cocinar?
En los diferentes trabajos que he tenido.
Ajá. ¿Y si aprendió de su madre o de su abuela?
Claro, también.
También.
Muy buena cocinera mi mamá.
Ok. Y me dijo su hija que ya tienen un año.
Sí, apenas vamos a hacer un año.
Ya. Los más nuevos.
Sí.
The new kid on the block.
Sí.
Y yo vi que también tienen hamburguesas.
Sí, así es. Hamburguesas, hot dogs, asada fries, nachos, hot dogs,
Y vi que tienen un burrito también que le echan papas fritas.
curry burrito, así es.
Ok.
¿Quieren que la preparemos?
Sí, por favor.
Acompañado con su cebolla asada, su chile asado, su cilantrito, su cebollita, su limón.
Wow.
Listo.
It's delicious. Pues muchísimas gracias. Voy afuera y voy a probarlo a ver cómo sale.
Ok, déjale sirvo un consomé.
Ok.
Para que le sepa bueno, porque la quesabirria sin consomé no es quesabirria.
Ok, yo entiendo. So what she's doing right now, she's bringing over some broth. Y le está echando...
Cebollita, cilantro. Y usted le pone la salsa al gusto.
Ok, ¿y el salsa es picante?
Un poquito.
Ok,
Sí.
perfecto, gracias.
Buen provecho.
Hay que ponerlo allí. Perfecto, déjame llevar esto afuera.
Pues provecho.
Alright, excuse me.
Ayúdale con la puerta.
Yeah, if you don't mind, can you grab the door, please?
Sorry.
Alright, wow. I'm really excited for this. Now this looks phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. Now she made everything from scratch. She said that nothing is pre-frozen, pre-packed. So let me try this. And I'm supposed to dip this in the broth as well. So let's try this. That's beautiful. There's radishes. Some pickled carrots. Little jalapeno for a little spice. Oh, that's great. Let me give that another bite because it deserves it.
Would you like a Coke?
No, thank you.
Are you sure?
Well, actually, okay, I'll take a Coke.
Oh, we also have aguas frescas.
Agua frescas?
Yes.
Oh, you know, an agua fresca would be nice.
Do you want horchata or pepino liquor?
Yeah, Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yeah, Jamaica would be nice. Now, agua fresca is a type of, like a sweet, uncarbonated, and now, also they do have Coke, they have Fanta, Sprite, Pepsi, Squirt, they do have Monsters and Waters, Jarritos, they have Sunny D, they have all the beverages that you want. Now let me get back to this birria taco. Oh, I'm sorry, quesabirria. It's juicy. It's not too crunchy. It's absolutely perfect. Something that I absolutely love. Because a lot of people can make these very, very crunchy. They could overdo it. And for me, right here, this is number one. Absolutely the best that I've had. Now this is going to be your agua fresca here. Oh, it's absolutely delicious. Absolutely great. Ah, so fresh. Oh, this quesabirria. It's calling my name. Let me get back to it. Absolutely great. And that right there with a final bite. Absolutely lovely. Guys, don't forget about this place. Don't drop the ball. La Cabana. You know the address. I'll put it down in the description below. Subscribe, like, do what you want. And I'm out. Gosh, I'm thirsty. Let me get some more of this. I forgot to tell you, it does come with some onion as well. Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal.